G'day guys, today I'm going to be showing you my new Posca pens and textures that I bought. I also bought some Ironlak pens, and these are acrylic markers, so quite different to the alcohol inks. They give a really great opaque effect and I'm really enjoying them. But I'm going to show you me swatching them, and then I'm going to do my first creations into my journaling book, and you'll see that process now. Thanks for watching. To get the paints working, you just give them about a 30-second shake and press the nib into some paper, and eventually the paint flows through and you can start drawing. I'm not sure you can tell, but the paper's affecting the nibs and it's getting a little bit rough on the end. It was really strange. The paint flowed well though in the end, and the colours were really vibrant. Now I'm going to have a go at the Ironlak pens and do some swatching of their colours. Some different shaped nibs on these pens, they were quite good. The Ironlak pens were just as nice as the Posca pens. The fatter nibs were kind of cool. Now it's time to try out the alcoholic pens. I bought these from Officeworks as well. They were 60 pens for about $35.95 or something like that. The brand is called Born. I've never heard them before, but they turned out to be really nice. The alcoholic ink pens do bleed into the back of your paper if it's not very thick, but I just love these textures, they're so vibrant. Alrighty, it's time to do some sketching with these Posca and Ironlak pens. All done. I really enjoyed using these marker pens, and I love the way the paint flows from them and creates this opaque look. Next time I'll use better quality paper though.